Exercise 10B, question number 12. An AP consists of 57 terms, of which 7th term is 13 and the last term is 108. Find the 45th term of this AP. So AP consists of 57 terms. So what is that 57? AP consists of 57 terms.
T57.
Okay. Huh? Consists of 57 terms means? Once again. 57 terms. So what is that 57? N is equal to
N is equal to
57. N is equal to 57. Then 57 terms, of which 7th term is 13. So T7 is equal to 13. The last term is 108. Last term, we don't know the last term, so let it be yellow. So last term we can represent it as Tn is equal to 108. Find what? T45. Find the 45th term of this AP. So how can we do this? Start. Okay, we can start. So Tn is equal to 108. Tn is equal to 108. So Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn we have 108. Substitute 108 is equal to A plus n minus 1 means what? N is 57. So 57 minus 1, 56 D. A plus 56 D is equal to 108. Then we have T7 is equal to 13. So what about the formula of T7? T7 is equal to A plus 6D, no? 7 minus 1. So T7 is 13. 13 is equal to A plus 6D. Then how can we do this? Simultaneous. Solving 1 and 2. Let it be 1, this is 2 means. Solving, S-O-L-V-I-N-G, solving spelling. Solving 1 and 2. A plus 6D is equal to 13 and A plus 56D is equal to 108. If you are writing this 1 and this as 2 means it is easy, I think so. So A plus 6D is equal to 13. Easy to subtract. Solving 1 and 2. So what will be the answer? So 56 minus 6 is 50D is equal to 108 minus 13 is what?
95.
95. So D is equal to 95 divided by 15. Table of 5 possible, no? So cancel 95 divided by 15.
19 by 10.
D is equal to
19 by 10.
19 by 10. So what about the answer 19 by 10? Decimals.
1.9.
1.9. 10 means remove one decimal place. So 1.9. D value is 1.9. Substitute 1.9 in either 1 or 2. 2. Substitute. 9 D is equal to 1.9. Substitute D is equal to 1.9 in A plus 6D is equal to 13. That is A plus 6D means D into 1.9 is equal to 13. So A plus 6 into 1.9 is what? Equal to 13. So what about A? Into 1.9.
11.4.
11.4. Okay. So A is equal to 13. Right side 13 there itself. Then minus 11.4. So A is equal to 13 minus 11.4. That is A is equal to 13 minus 11.4. 13 can be written as 13.0 minus 11.4. 11.4. So subtraction 0 not possible. So borrow 1. 10 minus 4, 6. Then here balance. Here 2,
1.6.
1.6.
1.6.
1.6. So A we got and D we got. We want to find out T45. So what about T45 formula? I know. T45 is equal to plus A plus n minus 1 means 45 minus 1. So it will be 44D is equal to A plus 44D. Substitute A. D. A is 1.6. No?
1.6 plus
Plus
44 into
into
1.9.
1.9. So Bodmas rule 44 into 1.9. First you do that. 44 into 1.9. So 44 into 1.9 is 83.6. So adding 85.2. So 45th term we want to find out. 45th term is 85.2. 34th term of an AP is equal to 3 times of its first term, and 7th term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Find the first term and the common difference. 4th term of an AP. So how can we represent that? 4th term of an AP.
4
Equal
to 3A.
equal to 3 times its first term.
3 into A.
3 into
Yeah.
3 into A. Instead of A, we can write it as T1.
T1.
T1. Okay. 3 times its first term. Then, and 7th term exceeds twice the third term by 1. So, what is the meaning of that?
T7
T7
minus
T7 minus exceed ചെയ്യുന്നു T7 ആരെക്കാട്ടിലും
T3 twice.
twice the third term. അപ്പോ
2 into
T3 twice the third term exceed ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ by 1 means എത്ര
divided.
is equal to 1. 7th term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Clear? Got it, no? 7th term ആണ് കൂടുന്നത് 3 times എത്രയാ twice the third term 2 times ആണ് പറയുന്നത് third term twice നെക്കാട്ടിലും കൂടുന്നുണ്ട് എത്ര വെച്ച് by 1. Clear ആയല്ലോ? ഡൗട്ട് ഇല്ലല്ലോ? സെന്റൻസ്
ഇല്ല.
girls, okay. Girls, got it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, solve it. T4, how can we represent that T4? T4.
Ma'am, by 1.
So, T4 we can write it as A plus 3B is equal to 3. T1 we can write it as 3A. Then A together to the right side or left side, which is better? 3A. So, A to the right side. So, 3A minus A. Here, 3D. So, 3D is equal to 2A. Equation, how can we write? 2A
2A minus 3D is equal.
minus 3D, nothing is there, so 0. That is 2A minus 3D is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Then say T7 minus 2T3 is equal to 1. T7 we can write it as A plus 6D minus 2. Then next step T3 A plus 2D. Minus is there, so bracket compulsory is equal to 1. Change the bracket. A plus 6D minus 2A minus 4D is equal to 1. Then A minus 2A is negative A minus 2A. 6D minus 4D is positive 2D is equal to 1. Then let it be equation number 2, or want to change. So for your convenience, write dividing throughout by a negative sign. So it will be negative means negative 1. So negative A divided by 1 negative. Do this in the working order, that is better. This one. Working order. Negative A divided by negative 1 plus 2D divided by negative 1 is equal to 1 divided by negative 1. Dividing throughout by negative 1. Negative sign. That is dividing throughout by negative 1. So it will be what? Working column. A negative divided by negative positive. Then here plus is there, minus is there. So it will be negative 2D is equal to positive divided by negative, negative. So negative 1. So this we can write it as A minus 2D is equal to negative 1. Just changing the sign only. Directly if you can do means do it. Solving 1 and 2. So multiplying by 1 and 2. So 2A minus 3D is equal to 0 and 2A minus 4D is equal to 0. So subtract. Minus 3D minus 3D minus 4D. If you have any confusion, do in the working column. So it will be minus 3D plus 4D.
Man, 2A minus 4D is equal to negative 2.
2A minus 3D is equal to?
4D is equal to negative 2. Negative 1 into 2.
Oh, okay. Here. Okay, negative 2. I wrote 0. Negative 2. Okay. 2A minus 4D is equal to negative 2. Okay. Then here it will be D, no? Minus 3D plus 4D, D is equal to 0 minus 2. D is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 itself. So D is equal to 2. Common difference we got. That is common difference is equal to D. D we got. Last we can write that. D is equal to 2. Substitute. D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2 in which equation you are substituting? 2A minus 3D is equal to 0 or A minus 2D is equal to 81. Substitute D is equal to 2. This one, first one. In 2A minus 3D is equal to 0. That is 2A minus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. So 2A minus 6 is equal to 0. 2A is equal to 6. So A is equal to 6 by 2. That is A is equal to 3. Therefore, common difference is equal to 2 and first term is 3. We want to find first term and the common difference. Therefore, first term is equal to 3. Common difference is equal to 2.
T2 plus T7 is equal to
14 questions. Sum of second term and seventh term of an EP is 13. So T2 plus
T2 plus T7 is equal to
13.
30.
If its 15th term is 1 less than twice of its 8th term. Listen properly. If its 15th term, so how can we represent that? 15th term. If it's
T15
T15
minus
is 1 less than is means how can we represent? Is means is equal to 15th term എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അതാണ് അത് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. If its 15th term എന്നുള്ളത് എന്താണ് is 1 less than twice its 8th term എന്നാണ് അത് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ എങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി എഴുതാം? 15th term എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് is 1 less than twice its 8th term. അപ്പൊ twice 8th termന്റെ twice-നേക്കാളും 1 കുറവാണ്. അപ്പൊ എങ്ങനെ റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യും?
1 minus
T15 is equal
2
to
into
1
അതാണ് അറിയുന്നത്. 1 minus 2 times എത്രയാണ്? T8 or 2 times T8 minus 1 ആണോ? ഇതാണ് എപ്പോഴും തെറ്റിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു കാര്യം.
Second one.
Second one is the correct answer. എന്താ മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് പറയൂ. ആ മീനിങ് ഒന്ന് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പറയണം. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞോ. അത് എപ്പോഴും നമുക്കൊരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വരുന്നതാണ്. If its 15th term is, അത് ഓക്കെ, 15th term എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് is 1 less than, ഒന്ന് കുറവാണ്, ഏതിനേക്കാളും 1 less than twice its 8th term. അപ്പൊ നേരെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനെ നേരെ തിരിച്ചെന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ ചിന്തിച്ചാൽ എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ? ഇങ്ങനെയാ പറയാത്. ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആൻഡ് മലയാളം, അതിന്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്താ നമുക്കറിയാം അല്ലേ? ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് സ്പീച്ച് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ നമ്മള്? അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ലേ? So how can we? 15th term is 1 less than, 1 കുറവാണ്, 1 less than ഏതിനേക്കാളും, ഏതാ പറയണേ? Twice its 8th term. Twice 8th termന്റെ twiceനേക്കാൾ 1 കുറവാണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ്? 2 times T8 minus 1 is the correct answer. Correct way to represent. So T15 is equal to 2 T8 minus 1. Twice its 8th term means what? 8th termന്റെ twice, 2 മടങ്ങാണ്. T15 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? അതിന്റെ twice, 8th term അല്ല T8. അതിന്റെ twice എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? 2 into T8. അതാണ് 2T8 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിനേക്കാൾ 1 കുറവാണ്, ലെസ് ദാൻ, 1 ലെസ് ദാൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 കുറവാണ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ -1. 1 മോർ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ +1 എഴുതേണ്ടി വരും. ഇത് 1 ലെസ് 1, അപ്പൊ അത് മൈനസ്, ദെൻ അതാണ് ഇത് പറയുന്നത് T15 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So T15 we can represent it as what? T15 is equal to 2T8 minus 1. Got it? Doubt? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Then easy, no? Then T2 how can we represent? T2 is tell me.
A plus
D. 2 minus 1 is 1, no? Plus A plus
6.
It's D.
6D is equal to 30. So A plus 8. 2A plus
Plus 70.
equal to 30. Can we divide? Is there any common there? No.
No.
Oh, let it be equation number 1. Next is T15. Okay, we represent T15. A plus
14.
is equal to, then 2 times means 2 is common there. 2 times. So T8. T8 is called to write in brackets. A plus
70.
70. That 2 is common for both A and 70. Then minus 1. Change the brackets. A plus 14D is equal to 2A plus 14D minus 1. 14D, no? Cancel? No. Same sign, no? 14D here. 14D. Can cancel directly. Same sign, left and right. So A is equal to 2A minus 1. So 2A minus A here, minus 1 will become plus 1. So A is 2A minus A is what?
A.
A. That is 1 is equal to A. That means A is equal to 1. A we got it as 1. Substitute A is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Substitute A is equal to 1 in 2A plus 7D is equal to 30. So 2 into 1 plus 7D is equal to 30. So 2 plus 7D is equal to 30. 7D is equal to 30 minus 2. 7D is equal to 28. D is equal to 28 by 7. D is equal to 4. Find the AP. AP means first term, second term, third term, etc. We want to find out. So how can we find the AP? A we have, D we have. So therefore, give AP is what? Therefore, we can write AP as AP is T1, T2, T3, T4, etc.
A plus.
So directly we can write no A.
A plus
A is what?
1,
A.
One.
1. Then
1.
5, 1,
1 plus
1
4.
plus 4, 5.
1 plus 4, 5. Then
5.
again
5 plus 4, 9,
5 plus 4, 9.
5 plus 4, 9.
Then again
plus 4,
Then 13. 13.
13, etc. That is enough. Therefore, the AP is 1, 5, 9, 13, etc. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T2 means A plus 2 minus 1 into D. N stands for 2. So T2 we can write it as A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1D. Simply 1D means what? T2 is equal to A plus 1D means D itself. A plus D. So that is A plus D. T2 is equal to A plus D. Okay.
Okay.
15th one in an AP, if mth term is n, mth term is n. So how can we write? Mth term is n. Tell me, boys. T
M,
m is
T1
equal
is
to
equal to N.
N,
n. Mth term is n and nth term is m. Nth term is m.
Tn is equal to
M.
Tn is equal to
So that rth term is, so TR, we want to find out TR is equal to what? Rth term is M plus N minus R. M plus N minus R we want to find out. So how can we? We know A plus R. We know Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what about Tm? So replace Tm as A plus A plus
A plus M,
is it N minus?
M,
M
Minus
minus
R into
1 into D is equal to N. Tell me.
plus ഒന്നുകൂടി A plus N.
A Tn എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ നമ്മുടെ ഫോർമുല A plus N minus 1 into D ആണ്. അപ്പൊ Tm എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ വേണ്ടത് Tm ആണ്. അപ്പൊ N ന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് M കൊടുത്താൽ ഇത് എന്തായി മാറും? Tm we can write it as A
A plus M minus 1.
M minus 1 into D. That's working column. Directly if you can't means do in the working column. Then after that you copy it. So instead of Tm, we can replace Tm as A plus M minus 1 into D. A plus M minus 1 into D. So Tm in the സ്ഥാനത്ത് A plus M minus 1 into D കൊടുത്തു. Is equal to N as N itself. N. Okay. Got it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then Tn we know. Here Tn is what? A plus N minus 1
A
into
plus
D.
N minus 1 into D is equal to M.
Let it be equation number 1. This one, this is 2. We can't do anything. So let it be equation number 1, 2. Solving 1 and 2. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to N. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to M. Solving 1 and 2. Then subtracting.
Subtracting.
Okay. A minus A 0. Then what I want to write here? Tell me. Don't write now. First wait. Listen. Tell me.
0.
Yeah. Okay. This 0. Then remaining D term.
M,
അത് കുറച്ച് പാടാണ്.
No. Tell me. Don't write. First listen.
Minus M
minus
minus.
1,
M minus 1 into D. Then
minus
N
N
minus
minus
1
1
into D.
okay, N minus 1 into D is equal to, don't write, is equal to
N
minus
minus M.
N minus
minus.
M. Then here D, here D. D is common there, no? D common.
Yes.
So remaining, how can we write? D common. In square bracket we can write.
M minus 1.
into
M minus 1 balance, then minus
Minus M minus
N
1.
minus 1.
N minus 1. So this D is common for both N minus 1 and N minus 1 is equal to N minus M. Got it up to this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then write down. So D, then within brackets, M minus 1. Now I need a single brackets. M minus 1, change the bracket. Minus N, then minus into minus, plus. So plus 1 is equal to N minus M. minus 1 plus 1 we can cancel. So D, then remaining M minus N is equal to N minus M. So D is equal to what? Up to this understood? Any doubt? Check it. D is equal to
N minus M
Y
minus M minus.
N minus M divided by M minus N. So can we write like N minus M denominator? If we take one, how can we write a new denominator N minus 1 in terms of N minus M? M minus N minus M ആണ് ഇത് M minus N ആണ്. ഒരേപോലെ ആക്കാം. N minus M പോലെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ M minus N പോലെയോ ആക്കാം. അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്ത്
കോമൺ എടുത്താ പോരെ?
കോമൺ എടുക്കാം. ഏത് കോമൺ എടുക്കാം?
M
M കോമൺ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Minus common.
ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ കോമൺ എടുക്കാം, ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിൽ എടുക്കാം. Which one you are doing?
Minus we have to take common.
Denominator or numerator? Which you are changing. N minus M നെ M minus N ആക്കുകയാണോ അതോ M minus N നെ N minus M ആക്കുകയാണോ? ഏതായാലും ഒരെണ്ണേ മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. Either numerator or
N minus N to M minus N.
N minus M നെ മാറ്റണം. അപ്പൊ N minus M നെ മാറ്റിയാൽ ഒരു മൈനസ് കോമൺ എടുത്താൽ ബാലൻസ് will be what? പോസിറ്റീവ് എന്നുള്ളത്
N plus
നെഗറ്റീവ് ആവും.
M.
പോസിറ്റീവ് എന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു മൈനസ് കോമൺ എടുത്താൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് എന്നുള്ളത് നെഗറ്റീവ്
നെഗറ്റീവ് N plus M.
അപ്പൊ ആൻസറിന് വാല്യൂ വ്യത്യാസം വരുന്നില്ല കണ്ടോ. നെഗറ്റീവ് N into 1 പറഞ്ഞാൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് തന്നെയാണ്. ഇനി ഇവിടെയോ നെഗറ്റീവ് കിട്ടണം. ഇവിടെ നമ്മളിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് N ക്ലിയർ. ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ M minus N അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരെണ്ണയെ മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, രണ്ടും കൂടെ മാറ്റരുത്. D is equal to ഈ മൈനസ് അവിടെ തന്നെ ഇതിനെ ഒന്ന് മാറ്റി എഴുതാം. എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? മൈനസ് N plus M. How can we write?
M minus N.
M minus
M
N
minus N.
divided by M minus N. കണ്ടോ രണ്ടും ഒരുപോലെ. M minus N cancel. That is 1. So D is equal to negative 1. Substitute
A plus M minus 1
A plus M minus.
equal to N.
A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to
Equal to
M.
N.
So here you are writing M.
Yes.
M minus 1 into D is equal to N. Substitute D is equal to 1 in A plus M minus 1 into D. So A plus M minus 1 into D negative 1 is equal to N. So for your convenience, write to the first A plus negative 1 into M minus 1 is equal to N. You can avoid this step. Directly if you can change the bracket, then you do it. A, then it will be
A minus M
minus, no need of writing 1, no. M minus 1 within brackets, since minus is there. So minus A minus M minus 1 is equal to N. So A is equal to what? Change the brackets. A minus M plus N is equal to N.
Ma'am, ആ നെഗറ്റീവ് വണ്ണിന്റെ അവിടെ എങ്ങനെയാ N വന്നു?
Okay, sorry. 1. Negative A minus, change the bracket, minus M, minus into minus plus 1 is equal to N. We need A. We got D is equal to negative 1. Next we want to find A. Then only we can find TR. No, TR again A plus R minus 1 into D. We want to substitute A and D we want to substitute. So D we have negative 1. Next we want to find out A. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് A എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? A is equal to N as N itself. Then minus M will become positive M.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So A we got it as N plus M minus 1. So we want to find out TR. TR is equal to we have Tn is equal to what? A plus N minus 1 into D. So same formula we can apply. TR N replace it
A
with R.
plus
Plus
R minus 1 into D.
R minus 1 into D. Then substitute all the values A and D. A we have this one. So TR is equal to N plus M minus 1 plus R minus 1 into D is negative 1. Any doubt in this step? So TR is equal to N plus M minus 1 plus negative 1 to the front, negative 1, then R minus 1. So TR is equal to, up to this understood, check it, after that you can write.
Yes.
N plus M minus 1, so positive, negative together, so it will be negative. No need of writing 1. If you change the bracket, that will be, let's say, R minus 1 only. Within brackets, R minus 1. Next, change the brackets. N plus M
N plus M minus 1 minus R plus 1.
plus 1. So positive 1 and negative 1 we can cancel. So TR is equal to N plus M minus R. What you want to show that? N plus M minus. That is, rth term is what? That is, TR is equal to, same question model we can write. First we wrote M. First we can write M plus N minus R. That is, rth term is M plus N minus R. Rth term is M plus N minus R. Last question, 16th one. Which term of the AP 3, 10, 17, etc. will be 84 more than its 13th term? So how can we do it? Which term of AP? ആ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന APയുടെ ഏതോ ഒരു term എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് will be. So we don't know which term of the AP means. How can we represent that? We don't know that term. TN. We don't know that term. So that TN, nth term of an AP is or will be which term?
84.
More than its 13th term. So what is the meaning? How can we represent?
T13 plus 84.
T30 plus 84.
Plus 84. Got it? മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ എല്ലാവർക്കും? Which term of an AP 3, 10, 17? ആ APയുടെ ഏതോ ഒരു term. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് അറിയാത്ത ടേമിനെ നമ്മൾ TN ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കും. അതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് will be nth term. അറിയില്ല. ഏതോ ഒരു term. അത് നമ്മൾ nth term ആയിട്ട് വിചാരിച്ചു TN. Will be 84 more than its 13th term. So will be 84 more than its 13th term means 13th term എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് T13. അതിനേക്കാളും 84 കൂടുതലാണ് more than. About T13 plus 84. Clear? Then Tn. Substitute. Tn. How can we represent Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Same method we can apply. Do it. We have 3, 10, 17. So what about A? What about D? Here. Here A is equal to what? And D is equal to what? A. Can we write A? Can we write a D?
D can write.
A is equal to 3.
Tn
T2
is equal to 3. 3 we can write.
Yes, ma'am.
A is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Then D is equal to
7.
T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7.
D is equal to 7.
Okay. Then nth term. So Tn we can represent just A plus N minus 1 into D. Instead of Tn, we can replace it as A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to T13. T13, how can we represent the T13? A plus
12D.
A plus 12D is equal to 84 as 84 itself plus 84 plus 84. Then both sides say no, we can cancel that without substituting. Directly we can cancel. Can we cancel that directly without substituting? Can do it now?
A cancel.
A we can cancel. Same. So remaining it will be N minus 1 into D is equal to 12D plus 84. Substitute the values of D. Substitute D, no? D, we got 7. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 12 into 7 plus 84. So 7 into n minus 1. Now you are changing the bracket. Let it be there itself. So here 84 plus 84. Then 84 plus 84. 7 into n minus 1 is equal to 168. So what about n? N minus 1 will be 168 divided by 7. Cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Balance 2. 7 4s are 20. 24. N is equal to 24. This one will become plus 1. So n is equal to 25. So n is equal to 25. Which term? So 25th term. Which term of the AP will be 84 more than its 13th term? ഏത് ടേം ആണ് എന്നാണ് ആ കണ്ടീഷനിൽ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് n 25 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എന്ത് പറയാം? 25th term will be 84 more than its 13th term എന്ന് പറയാം. So n is equal to 25. That's enough. Okay, thank you.